Hey, good to see you. Welcome back. It's 2025. This is now, I've made this studio into a Dev Suvara, no more Tech Suvara. That's it. It's a bit of a transition, and the reason for that is pretty simple. Tech is just such a broad topic, and I thought I only really talk about tech stuff that's specific to coding, really. I mean, all this stuff has been coding. There's been a bit of like low-level stuff that's related to coding, C, on devices. So not really so much tech as a whole, right? It was more about, what's going on with coding development, and I've been coding and developing really, and doing software engineering as a contractor. So I thought it kind of makes more sense to just call Dev Suvara. Just it's easier to focus, and one of the things I was trying to find was a focus. So again, 2025, welcome. We are going to start this year with just a quick intro. I've renamed the channel, I've updated all the art assets, and the next step is to dive in a topic of coding interest. And this is, last week I mentioned in my other video that, I was going to focus on artificial life, artificial chemistries, and I have the book right here that we're going to use as a reference, and I've already started sort of chipping away at it and just doing a little bit. Here it is. Let me just pull it up for you. So we have this beauty. Now, I think I've shown you this before, but I've had a quick read of the first part of it, just the introduction, and even just the first 4 pages. I'm like, this is a really interesting concept. I'm not going to talk about it yet, but I'm going to go through the introduction as a video in the next week's video. So there's chapters. I think the chapters. There's let's see. I think there is 19 chapters. So I'm going to try and do a chapter a month. But I guess the first one is like pretty basic. It's just introduction, chapter 1 introduction. So it'll be quick. But 19 months, maybe 2 videos. Like something like that. So I think by the end of the year, I would absolutely want to get through this, and maybe even get into deep learning, the book Deep Learning, which is also kind of related, right? So we're talking about coding, we're talking about artificial life, artificial chemistry. So that's it. So welcome, good to see you. I really can't wait to dive into this. I'm excited about this topic. I'm excited to transition this channel to something else. I'm going to be going back into streaming now because I can actually stream properly. Without having kind of issues with VPN and all that kind of stuff. Streaming from where I was in Russia was just a headache. So we just had so many problems trying to set it up and then get it running and then getting it connected. So I just thought, like, I'm going to be there for 3 months, come back, and then get back into streaming. So streaming will start again starting, I guess, tomorrow. We'll do like a news update and see what's going on in the world of dev. And that's it. So guys, good to see you. If you haven't subscribed or just do so if you can, if you're interested in these topics, and I will see you at the next video. Thanks. Welcome 2025. Bye.